Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up a portable hotspot on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to connection and sharing and open personal hotspot. You have to turn it on by using this switcher, and also in the hotspot setting you can find your hotspot name and hotspot password. Also here you are able to find security options, AP band. You can also hide hotspot in this section and use Wi-Fi 6. Go back, and here you can also manage devices that are connected in the hotspot with the hotspot. Also you can find here automatically turn off personal hotspot when no devices are connected for 10 minutes. Also you can find here Bluetooth tethering, also USB tethering and Ethernet tethering. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.